welcome back. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, you guys know that my external hard drive failed on me last week. So the two videos that I had filmed for you guys last week are inside the external hard drive. So I can't work on them because they're inside. I don't transfer them to the laptop. I transfer them to the external hard drive to just not use so much memory on my laptop. Anyways, it happened. It sucks, but it happened. So here I am filming a new video for you guys. I decided to start filming Coachella makeup tutorials. I tried to keep the eyes super easy and simple because of the glitter tears with the stars, the dots above the eyebrows, and then the white. I didn't know what I was gonna film for you guys because I still had 2 weeks to plan the Coachella makeup tutorials. I had to improvise. The tears came out better than the first time I did tears. The first time I did glitter tears, I regretted so much because that was the day my husband and I met Jason Momoa, and I look horrible in that picture. Anyways, I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. A lot of you asked me what kind of glitter, glue, or base do I use to stick the glitter. For any glitter that I use, I will always use the Lit Cosmetics Clearly Liquid Glitter Base. So first, what I do is I dip my brush into this liquid, and then I dip the brush into the glitter, and then I apply it. So for instance, the glitter tears, you want to go light on the liquid. I also use the same base for this chunky glitter. I use the nail dotting tool to grab the glitter, but first I dip it into the clearly liquid base so that I can dot glitter will stick to it. For bigger chunks such as the stars or the disco dots or any type of jewel, I use the dual lash glue. It has a brush so it's easier to just dot everything. I mean, you're gonna see it, but I'm always asked that question. If you are going to Coachella, I hope you guys are inspired to do this makeup or something similar. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I will see you guys to my next video. Bye! Oh god, do you guys see that? Was that all over the place? What?